This is practice it, exercise 5.1, showTwos. The problem reads, write a method named showTwos that shows the factors of 2 in a given integer. For example, the following calls: show2s of 7, show2s of 18, show2s of 68, and show2s of 120, which should produce the output 7 equals 7, 18 equals 2 times 9, 68 equals 2 times 2 times 17, and 120 equals 2 times 2 times 2 times 15. So the first thing we want to do is to make a method. So our method header should have public, static, and because we are printing something and we're not returning anything, we should just do void. And our name is show2s like this. And this is the method. And we need a parameter because they have an integer anytime they take an integer whenever they call a method. So we should call it int, and then any name is fine. I'll just call it n for now. So what we need to do is print a string that has the initial number, so which would be n, and then equals, and then the factorization of 2's times the remaining number. So first, let's do the easy part, which is just get a string with the initial number and the equal sign. So we can make our string that is printed, just call it string s, is equal to n plus, in quotes, an equal sign with a plus like this. So this will give us like 7 equals and then the space. And now we need to factor 2's out consistently. So to do that, we can use a while loop. And in our while loop, our condition um, would be while n is divisible by 2. So we would do while n mod 2 is equal to 0. So the remainder when divided by 2 is equal to 0. Then what we want to do is add to our string. So s plus equals. Then we would do 2 times like so. So this will be the next factor, and we have to then divide n by 2 each time, so we can get we don't get a forever while loop. And from here, we also have the remaining numbers. So like for 18, we divide by 2 once, and then we would have 9 remaining. So we would have to print the 9 as well. So here we can do s plus equal to the remaining number. Because we continuously divide n by 2, we would have n be our remaining number. So we would just do s plus equals n. And then, of course, we need to print this out. So we need to do system.out.println, s like this. And if we press submit, there we go. And that's how you solve exercise 5.1 showTwos.